How to fix Hulu error code BYA-403-011 when playing video. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. First of all, change LAN settings. Click on search. Type inetcpl.cpl. Click on the result. On Internet Properties window, click on Connections. Click on LAN settings and uncheck this option if it is checked. If this box is already unchecked, then leave it as it is. Click on OK. Click on OK. The second method is uninstall third-party VPN app. If any VPN app is installed, uninstall it. For this, right-click on Start, select Installed Apps, find third-party VPN app in the list. On my computer, Turbo VPN is installed. Check on your computer and click on three dots for the VPN app. Select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. If any window appears, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After uninstalling the app, restart your computer and then check if the issue is fixed. Disable proxy from settings. Click on Start. Go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Proxy and turn off Automatically Detect Settings if it is turned on. Then close the Settings app and try to run the video on Hulu. The issue should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.